ribbon cutting isn't just about opening new spaces, it's about unlocking new ideas. And some of this is gonna sound familiar to what Dr. Phelan was saying, but the Center for Innovation and the JET Studio represent what innovation looks like here at Jackson College. This project was born out of an Innovation 100 project, which is a campus-wide initiative designed to empower our employees to bring forward creative ideas that enhance teaching, learning, and student success.
It also builds digital fluency in storytelling and competencies that travel with students into transfer into the work or into the broader community in the Jackson area. Down the hall, the Center for Innovation here, the Sandbox, is a place where I think ideas become common practice. It's designed to serve as an incubator for improving learning.
This is how we fulfill our mission to be a world-class institution where learners succeed, but more importantly, where our community needs are met. By equipping our faculty and connecting our students, we turn innovation into impact.